Hi everyone, my name is Busayo, and today I'm going to be showing you around some of the different engineering spaces here at UBC Vancouver. So if you've ever been curious about where you'll be spending most of your time at UBC, just keep watching. One thing I really like about UBC is that majority of the engineering buildings are concentrated within one space, which is around Engineering Road and Agronomy Road. This makes it really easy to just navigate between your classes if you're in a rush, or if it looks like this and you don't want to be walking a mile to get to your next class.
So our first stop for today is the McLeod Building. This is the home for materials engineering and mining engineering. Next, we have the Kaiser Building. This building can be easily spotted with the engineering cairn. This is one of the buildings for electrical engineering and computer engineering, and it is also the home of the engineering academic services.
Another really great thing is that a lot of the engineering buildings in this area are connected through these little hallways, so you don't have to go outside between classes. So for example, right now we're in the Kaiser atrium and we're about to head into McLeod.
McLeod is another one of the buildings for electrical and computer engineering. This building was recently renovated and it features a lot of really great study spaces, workshops, labs, and classrooms. Next up, we have Simi, or the Civil Engineering and Mechanical Engineering Building. This building can also be accessed through Kaiser through one of the walkways. The ESC, or the Engineering Student Center, is located in between a lot of the different engineering buildings. This is a central hub space for a lot of engineering students to come and hang out, study, participate in some engineering undergraduate society events, and to just relax.
There are some students studying, so we gotta be quiet, but this is just a great place to come hang out. Have a good time with friends.
And now moving down Engineering Road, we end up at the Wayne and William White Engineering Design Center, or EDC as it's commonly referred to as. This building features a lot of workshops and space for engineering design teams to work on their projects. The third floor of the EDC also houses a studio space for AppSci 100 and 101. This is where you'll be meeting with your group to work on projects like the cardboard chair, the claw, and to give presentations. And across from the EDC, we have the Birmingham Building. This has the Advanced Materials and Process Engineering Laboratory. And then across the street from the EDC and the Birmingham Building, we have the Chemical and Biological Engineering Building.
that each department has its own special club room somewhere in each of the different engineering buildings.
And then heading down East Mall, we end up at the Westbrook Building. This is the temporary home for some of the lab spaces for biomedical engineering. And then directly beside the Westbrook Building, we have the building site for the School of Biomedical Engineering. And aside from engineering specific spaces, students will also have classes in other buildings around campus. Here's the chemistry building, for example. And geological engineering students have some of their classes in the Earth, Ocean, and Atmospheric Sciences building, which you can see here. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.